What's going on? Me and Jack here. It is January 14th, 8:30. We got snow on the ground here in Arkansas. Winter's finally come. Going to do some duck hunting in the morning. Where are we going, Jack?
We're heading out to St. Francis Sunken Lands. We're going to go try our hand at some private land duck hunting out there at a club, private club. And we're going to try to get after them. 29 killed this morning. Didn't really get on them during the snow, but this afternoon they started coming down and really got after them. So thinking in the morning, everything around here is going to be frozen up. So we're looking for, moving water is really our key to our success right now is moving water. We got that out there because we obviously got about, 2 inches of rain, in the past week. Really helped out earlier this week. So we're going to go out there and see what we can do. It's really cold. We're looking at 10 degrees right now. Shouldn't be frozen up with the amount of water we have moving. So we're going to try our hand at it and see if we can kill a few ducks.
Yeah, Jack's kind of the expertise in this. I don't have much knowledge when it comes to duck hunting. I've been, 3 or 4 times this year and 0 casualties. So, and I know Arkansas, you don't duck hunt. I try. I just never had any luck doing it. So we're going to go try our luck tomorrow. Like you said, everything's going to be frozen up. It's going to be below freezing until next Monday. And I think tomorrow the high is like 15. So people have been killing them. So we're going to go try it out in the morning, see if we can kill them. And we'll see you guys in the morning. What are we doing?
We're alive. It's cold.
Let's get a little.
Show them this.
Let's see if it'll focus. 5:30, 7 degrees. Oh, just went and stopped and got some breakfast. I got the croissant and Dr. Pepper. Jack got him a pizza, but we're about to head out to the river. I think it'll be good. It'll be cold. It's gonna be cold as crap, but it's gonna be good, and we'll see you out there.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm on 65. I went off and up them 2 trucks back there. So anyway, I'll be there in a minute. All right, when I get there, what they're going to do, I'll just load them 2 boys up in that boat, because I don't think Gunner wants to run back and forth and do the loading. So that'll be up to me to break, take him out there, and then come back and get y'all.
Okay.
Or vice versa. I don't take y'all, but he's already there, so I'll just load him up, and Zach will take him out there.
Okay.
And when I get back, we'll be ready to boogie.
Great.
Jack, we gonna kill some ducks?
Oh yeah.
I'm glad I'm not standing in the dirty water. This one got a hole in it.
Does it? It's frozen solid.
I ain't worn these, and what are yours? Yours the same ones mine are?
I got frog dog. Oh, you got frog dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what mine are.
Better shoot your gun this morning. We'll shoot at something. Tweety bird, kingfisher.
Hi, y'all came out here yesterday, didn't you?
Huh?
Y'all came out here yesterday morning, didn't you?
Yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon.
Y'all smoke them?
Smoking. For us, we killed more ducks yesterday than we killed all year long.
Mm-hmm. Jack, what are they doing?
Moving decals. Alright, there's one down behind us too. Yeah, I shot one.
What was it? Mallard Drake?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. Alright, get your booty in here and shooting up. Yeah, here we got more coming in.
Right here above us, right here above us, right here above us, guys, right here above us. Holy crap, boys. There's 400 of them. You see them?
There's a ton of
Oh my god. Ah, out front, out front, out front. Out front. Holy cow.
Get down.
Yeah. God damn, I folded that sucker. I folded that sucker. Shoot him. Well, we got one.
Okay. Did either of y'all kill that?
I got that one.
One drop.
Just gotta drill it and do that up in the pot.
Yeah, it'll rake it off in the.
Making eggs.
I had a 36-inch one time, and it would push it off the back like that. I should have grabbed two of them. I didn't grab mine.
About to start cooking.
Eat good.
You got that tool in there?
Give us an update.
An update.
Yeah.
We have a few ducks, a lot of water, good and cold. Ice is coming and going. Snow is coming and going. Hey, fun time. Good lunch for good breakfast. Yeah. So, thank you.
Hey, there's
Zach.
Man,
Out here
through
in
the
front of
cold.
the middle, 6 feet better.
we can't find half our ducks. But it's going pretty good.
Yeah,
Steady.
it's probably at least 6 feet deep.
yeah.
But I mean, we got strains, but nobody wanted to let them out, and I didn't let them out enough.
It snowed half a foot today.
Hi, you shot all these ducks?
Did I shoot on him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. One shot.
Shoot him. Oh, he's down, he's down. Who did that? Damn, what a shot. Hot. What a shot. You better shoot them things. Hey, up! They're getting up, getting up, getting up, getting up. Coming to us.
Heck yeah, boys.
Hey, that's three. That is 3 birds. Hey, y'all watch. Keep an eye. I see one going down the river.
One down the river, one over there at the log, one right here.
I got one marked all the way down there.
One right here.
I got one in the middle of the pond. Yep, right here. They're both, y'all need to get, yeah, whoever's taking the boat, there's one way down there, so.
Take one again. Take one.
Bunch of them.
There's a bunch.
Yeah.
Coming. Right here, right here. Hot.
Holy cow.
I know. I got one. I know for a fact that that one is up there. They're down, they're down, they're down. Hot. Let them lock. Let them lock.
Hold on. Y'all count to 3.
One.
Hold on. Who wants to call?
There's more. There's more. There's more. There's more. There's more. 3. Oh
my God.
Boy, did us dirty.
I got